Hello folks, and welcome back to another video on this channel. So back in February I filmed this camera. This is the Xiaomi 70mm Dashcam Pro Plus, the A500. I featured the unboxing of it, and I had it installed in my own vehicle as well, and I've got to say, so far it's working great. Really happy with this camera. Tested footage from it, and it's a tidy piece of kit. So I managed to get a hold of this week. This is the same camera, but this time it comes with an extra bit. It comes with a rear camera setup as well. So just wanted to show you the unboxing of this camera setup. I won't go into the full features of the 70mm Pro Plus, because you can see on a video that I'll link on the top of this here now if you want to watch that video, and obviously of it being installed and things, but I thought I'd just feature a quick unboxing video here. These units retail for about, I think you can get them from about 90 quid in various shops online, and all. That's how much I saw it for in Amazon. Obviously that's minus the fit in. That'll cost you a little bit extra, but let's get it unboxed, get into it, take a look, see what it's like. So getting straight into it, once again you've got the fitment kits and the instructions and everything else that comes with it, user manual and a guarantee in that package. This is the main camera, so obviously got a bit of battery life, which is quite useful. I won't go into this in too much detail because, as I said, I featured this one on a video already. You can take a look at that and see the kit. Obviously this is a brand new one, so it's come straight up in setup mode. And then this is the additional feature. So this is the reversing camera that fits on the back windscreen of your car, and there's a plug cable for it. Smaller than the main camera. Compare them side by side, they look fairly similar, and I'd imagine it's got the same specifications as the main camera itself as well. And then what we have here is the various cables to run through the car, so that this camera here plugs in to this. I'm just wondering if I can see port where this camera would plug in. Does this version come with an additional port for the rear facing camera? Yeah, AV in, look. So this here, the rear camera has got that kind of connection on it. If you can see that, there it is. And the additional cables, you've got this one which has got that the female connector for that, and it goes through to that side, which is the AV in port that's on there. Then I'll have to check and confirm that that's the same for all of the 500s, or whether you've got to buy this specific one to get the rear facing camera kit. Is the standard USB cable then to plug it into a USB socket on your car and a cigarette lighter. So short one today, guys.
The battery is low. Please connect to the car charger.
The battery is low. Yeah, short little video today, guys. This is Xiaomi 70mm Pro Plus, and this one is the rear facing camera. Like I say, cost about £90. I've already tested this. I'm very happy with the results from it, so I can recommend this if you want a dash camera. And certainly I would consider spending a couple of extra quid and getting this model with a rear camera, because you never know, if you're going to be in a rear end shunt, you've got the footage and the hand over to the police, or prove if somebody bumps you and drives away the passing details. So, oh yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. If there's any questions, please leave me a comment and I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can. Cheers.